jaw crusher in the crushing process often appears a lot of dust, not only will destroy the ecological environment, but also seriously endanger the health of the staff. If you want to solve this problem, you first need to understand what are the reasons. The processed materials are extruded and crushed by the crusher and then sent to the next process through the conveyor, which will produce a large amount of dust in the process driven by the airflow, so that the dust source spreads to the surrounding area, resulting in serious dust pollution. 2. In the feeding process, will produce dust overflow phenomenon, making the feed port around the dust generated by a relatively high concentration. 3. The stone needs to go through the discharge port into the conveyor due to the feeding port and the discharge port. Between a certain drop, there will be a part of the stone into the air. At the same time, the conveyor in the process of movement, the stone powder will be lifted up with it spreading to the surrounding. To completely solve the dust problem, not only need to optimize and improve the local structure of the equipment, but also with the help of certain external forces to control the source of dust to avoid the further spread of dust. 1. Set up a sealed cover at the source of dust, and at the same time, configure the water spraying and dust absorbing devices. 2. Optimize the structure of the chute plate and other structural modifications for large-scale processing plant, or try to use advanced green crusher equipment and process for production. In the crushing sand production, this piece has more related problems. Can find small editor to understand in detail.